Welcome back into 13 News. We're joined again with Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And this is super fun for us because if you have kids at home, they're going to be super thrilled that we're doing this. Why?
Every summer we like to feature recipes for kids, get them in the kitchen, have them learn about agriculture, and the Kansas Soybean Commission has some great resources on their website. So if you're looking for activities for kids, they have puzzles, they have word games, they can learn about agriculture. And I wanted to say we also have the thrill of skill.
Yes.
I
Alrighty.
love this because sometimes parents say, well, how old do children need to be before they can be in the kitchen?
Yeah.
And the Home Baking Association shared this resource with us. It's called the Thrill of Skill. Starts out at age 2 and gives ideas for what kids can do in the kitchen. So a helpful piece for mom and
Love it.
dad.
Starting them young.
That's right. And we're going to make cherry cheesecake parfaits this
Ooh,
morning.
I love little
the
sweet
kids
cherry.
will love this. Oh, Jared, hold that up and
yeah.
show how pretty that is that we're going to make with all those layers. So I have 8 ounces of soy cream cheese in here, and we've also added the powdered sugar and vanilla already. I'm going to add some soy sour cream to this.
Okay.
And we're just going to stir this together.
All right.
Now, ahead of time, I made using a 3-ounce package of cherry gelatin.
Okay.
Made it just like the directions said, except I added in 1 cup of chopped sweet cherries that we get in the grocery
Yum.
store right
Okay.
now. So we're going to layer that. Let me give you some because you get to each make your own this morning. I've given you spoons here. You can layer yours with the cheesecake mixture and the cherry gelatin and graham cracker crumbs. This is just a fun activity, I think,
Does it
for
matter
kids.
what order we do it in?
No, and that's the fun part for kids. Let them do it however they want to. There you go. Now you start layering yours, and I'm going to layer mine.
Okay. I'm going to try to copy the one in the little cup.
I think the fun thing is you can use all kinds of containers for kids to use. And I've got disposable plastic clear cups here
There
that
we
make
go.
it for kids to take outside.
No one wants to do dishes.
No one wants to do dishes.
No, not at all.
And with kids, those aren't breakable, so easy to do. But gosh, kids will have fun just making it themselves and layering it. And, you know, when we were talking about getting kids in the kitchen, oh, it's such a fun way for them to practice reading a recipe, also math. And one of the activities that you can ask them to do is, what if we want to double this recipe? It calls for a cup of cherries. If we doubled it, what would it be? 2 cups, right? So just
Charlene, it's really early in the morning.
I read for a living, Charlene. I don't do math.
It's just a good way for kids to get involved
No, I love that.
and help them to learn things. How's yours looking?
I don't know.
Where's your
you tell
graham
me.
cracker?
I think it looks
I'm
great.
going to put it on top.
Oh, on top? Great.
Oh.
You can do it
'Cause
however
that's like
you
my
want.
favorite part.
Very good.
Raina, thank you for being judgmental. Charlene's supportive over here.
I think mine's coming out pretty cool.
Well, I think you're doing great.
Thank you.
Yes,
I've seen
great.
better.
All right, so now everybody's got theirs done. We'll put them out here. But I love the layers that you can see. They're so pretty. Use different containers that you might have at home, and let the kids have fun.
All right.
Yes.
All
Here
right,
is
let's
my-
see. Can we see your layers?
Oh my.
Very
Okay.
pretty.
Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful.
I know, and then
I think I went a little heavy on the graham crackers.
call in and judge between, right?
So they can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, look for the recipes. We also have a kids recipe section, and look also on the sidebar there. You'll see all these activities you can link to keep kids busy for the summer.
That
Super
is perfect.
fun.
I know. My girls are going to love doing it.
Charlene, thank you so much for your time, and we'll be right back after this.